Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, after 2020 what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, it has already made a half around $2070 and this is being repeated, and this level we have seen it being tested 2-3 times. Okay, so chances can be high if the price move over this particular level, then we can see it can cross this particular zone and can go further upside. Okay, this is the first point that you have to note. Another point that you have to note is that there are pattern forming. Okay, and these similar patterns are forming since 2012 to 2020. This is this pattern. After that, these two patterns is a two-year pattern, this 2020 to 2022, and this is an 8 months pattern. Okay, similarities are very high. Chances can be high that it can go further upside, and this level is also being same what we have seen in this. The same pattern is being created, and that is where it tries to go upside and perform the same thing we have seen in the previous patterns. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, overall trend is upside. A swing is already formed with a weak support at 1617. Keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this particular level, we can see it can move further low, because this is the level which is already a weak support. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2015. Okay, because this is the level, and this is the high of this particular zone. So suppose if the price sustain this level, it can touch a level of $2015 to a level of around $2029. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 2032 is there. Okay, once it sustain above $2032, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 2052 is there. And if that level sustain, then a probability is very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of, it can, because 2052 is already a weak resistance, so chances can be high it can go towards a level of 2074. Keep that in mind. If the price sustain above $2052, chances of touching 2074 is on a higher side, and it can go further upside. That you have to keep in mind. Regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description, and you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price come close to this level, and we can see it can go further upside, and yes, chances are very high. But suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, so the next support we can see coming at around $1996. Okay, and if that level is move further down, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1985. Okay, and if that level is move further low, then a probability of going towards 1971 is there. Again, I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, the next support we can see coming at around 1996, and if that level move further low, then we can see a level of 1989, and from there we can see a level of $1985. Once the price fall below that level, it can go towards a level of around $1971, and from there we can see a level of 1967. Suppose if the price fall below that level, it can touch a level of 1960 to a level of around $1950, which is already a weak support. So chances are very high it can move further low, and a probability of going towards 1950 to a level of 1939 is there. And if the price fall below 1939, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1925, and then further if the price didn't sustain. Overall trend is upside, as you can see, and a cup pattern is trying to form, so chances of going further high is on a higher scale side. Okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money, why they don't make a good amount of return, because they try to take full capital risk. Okay, they do not strategize the trade. This is what they do. They try to make double or triple in a single day. Okay, suppose what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital, that is 1000 to 1500 per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you're trading, then make a limit for a particular trade, that is 100 per trade will be your maximum loss you can bear for a trade. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500 for a particular trade. So if you lose all 5 trades, you will lose maximum 500. It will not affect your psychology. Okay, but what people do is they lose so much money, and in the process of recovering they lose the full capital. This is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.